Okay. Good afternoon to all of you. Okay, so let's quickly start. Today I will take your English grammar, and the chapter I will do, that is chapter number 26. You can see on the board. Chapter number 26. You can see this is the comprehension part from here. Today I will do from number B, because number A is already done. Yes, I am very fine, dear. How are all of you? Good? Okay, let's start. Let's quickly start, because we have started late. Now, let's read the passage quickly and then try to solve the question and answers. You will also try to solve it, okay? Through the chat box. Let me read the passage very quickly. Music rejuvenates the question B. Okay. Music rejuvenates the mind when music therapy is combined with other relaxation techniques based on guided imagery. It reduces depression, pain, and anxiety. Fibromyalgia is a condition that causes pain, stiffness, and tenderness of the muscles, tendons, and joints. In such a condition, music also improves sleep. Researchers use relaxation technique based on guided imagery and music therapy for treatment of patients. They were given a CD each which they could listen to at home. Then the researchers measured the different symptoms associated with fibromyalgia, like intensity of pain, quality of life, sleep disorder, and others. The patients showed positive improvement in their condition. This reveals that the art of relaxation and receptive music therapy are effective to a great extent. Okay, now let's quickly do the exercises. Number 1, you can see that here it is saying find the words from the passage which mean the same as the words given below. So we need to find the same meaning from the passage and of the words that are given over here. Number 1, anguish. Can you tell me what the same meaning from the passage can be of the word anguish? I will just write the answers. Anguish here means let me know. Let me see. Here anguish means pain, isn't it? Pain or anxiety, we can write. Yes. Number 2, that is decreases. Decreases will be, the same meaning will be reduces. Reduces. Number 3, signs can also be symptoms. Symptoms from the passage. Symptoms. Number 4, state can be condition. Number 5, related to will be associated with. Yes, I can also see that all of you are answering. Very good. Very good, all of you. Associated with. And last one, number 6, large. Large will be great extent. Yes, it will also be great extent. Okay, now come to the question answers part. Number 1, I will just discuss the question and answers. You will try to find it in your passage. Okay, number 1, how does music affect the mind? How does music affect the mind? The answer can be music rejuvenates the mind. Music rejuvenates the mind. Number 2, which techniques did the researchers use for the treatment of patients? We can write it like researchers used relaxation techniques based on guided imagery and music therapy for treatment of patients. I am repeating again. The researchers used relaxation technique based on guided imagery and music therapy for treatment of patients. Number 3, what is the effect of techniques combined together? We can write the answer like, yes, very good. Number 3, when music therapy is combined I'm telling the answer. When music therapy is combined with other relaxation technique based on guided imagery, it reduces depression, pain and anxiety. Okay, when music therapy is combined with other relaxation techniques based on guided imagery, it reduces depression, pain and anxiety. Okay. Number 4. What are the symptoms of fibromyalgia? We can write the answer like it causes pain, stiffness and tenderness of muscles, tendons and joints. So it causes pain, stiffness and tenderness of the muscles, tendons and joints. Okay. What is the outcome of the efforts of the researchers to treat patients? Number 5. What are the outcome of the efforts of researchers to treat patients? We can write the answer like the patients showed positive improvement in their condition. This reveals that the art of relaxation and receptive music therapy. Yes. Sharanya, good. Yeah. Number 5, I'm telling. The patients showed positive improvement in their condition. This reveals that the art of relaxation and receptive music therapy are effective to a great extent. Okay. Now come to the number 3. Give the plural form of the following. So we need to write the plural forms. Very easy. Let's do this. Number 1, life. The plural form life, we all know, lives. Yes. Number 2, pain. Pain will be pains also. It can also be pain. It depends on the structure of the sentence. Number 3, symptom will be symptoms. 4, therapy. Therapy will be therapies also, and therapy depending on the structure of the sentence. 5, technique will definitely be techniques. And number 6, patient will be patients. Okay. Now come to the number C. There you can see a long passage. Let's read the passage and solve out the question answers. Yeah. Sorry. The earth is the, I'm reading the question 3. The earth is the planet on which we live. It is also known as the blue planet. The first thing that stands out is its blue color. Yes, very good. Blue color. It is the only planet where water exists in liquid form. The Earth's atmosphere consists of nitrogen, oxygen and other gases. The Earth is very active planet. The Earth's crust is divided into great plates which are pushed by slow currents. At the bottom of the Atlantic Ocean, where the crust is the thinnest, a new crust is forming. When the plates in the other regions of the Earth collide, they cause earthquakes. The Earth is not an isolated planet. It has a satellite of its own known as the Moon, which stands out for its size. Its diameter is 1/4 of the size of the Earth. Very close to the Earth is the planet Mars. It was thought that Mars, the red planet, was inhabited by the Martians, who had built an extensive network of canals on the planet's surface. It has since been confirmed that there are no canals and there has been no intelligent life on Mars. It has 2 satellites, Phobos and Deimos, small irregular bodies. Mars has been explored by interplanetary probes. The Viking probes landed on its surface in 1976. There are big mountains on the surface of Mars. Mount Olympus is the highest at 78,000 feet. It is an ancient volcano, much higher than any other mountain on Earth. At present, the only mass of water that exists is in the form of ice. It is in the polar caps. Mars has a very thin atmosphere composed of carbon dioxide. Each Martian year leads to the changing of seasons that bring enormous dust storms. Likewise, there are many interesting facts about the planet Venus too. Venus is the planet that comes closest to the Earth and shines very brightly in the sky. The surface temperature of Venus is about 860 degree Fahrenheit, which is 400 degrees centigrade. The atmosphere is very dense. Its surface cannot be observed directly because the planet is permanently covered with a thick layer of clouds. Venus is a planet which is geologically active and probably has active volcanoes. There are mountains higher than the Everest. The Russian interplanetary probes called Venera landed on the surface of Venus. It shows images of flat terrain covered with rocks. Okay, now let's come to the exercise part. Number 1, give one word for the following. Number 1, name the highest mountain on Mars. I will just discuss all these. All of you try to answer. Yes, Akash, very good. Mount Olympus. Number 2, name the planet on which life exists. Earth. Very good. Number 3, name the planet forever covered with clouds. Venus. Yes. Yathartha, Akash, Astha, Sharanya. Good. Very good. Now come to the questions part. Number 2, why do earthquakes take place? We can write the answer like, when the plates in the other regions of the earth collide, they cause earthquake. When the plates in the other regions of the earth collide, they cause earthquakes. If you want to write more than this, you can add the line here. The earth's crust is divided into great plates which are pushed by slow currents. Then you can write the line, when the plates in the other regions of the earth collide, they cause earthquakes. Okay. Question number 3. What happens in each Martian year? The answer will be, each Martian year leads to the changing of seasons that bring enormous dust storms. Each Martian year leads to the changing of seasons that bring enormous dust storms. Question number 4. Why is Venus considered to be geologically alive? We can write it like, Venus is considered to be geologically alive because it probably has active volcanoes. Okay. Now come to number 5. Complete the following sentence as in the form of fill in the blanks. Number 1. Mars has very thin atmosphere composed of what? Mars has very thin atmosphere composed of what? Fine. Can you tell me? Number 1, fill in the blanks. Composed of carbon dioxide, isn't it? Number 2, the Viking probes landed on Mars in the year 1976. Number 3, the satellite of Earth is, we all know, Moon. Number 4, the Earth's atmosphere consists of what? The Earth's atmosphere consists of oxygen, nitrogen and other gases. Number 5, the images taken by Russian interplanetary probes called Venera that landed on Venus's surface show images of flat terrain covered with rocks. Images of flat terrain covered with rocks. Okay. Now come to the D part. Question number D. Okay, all of you have done up to this. Now come to question number D. I will read the passage and then solve out the exercise. And up to D I will do today. Okay. The coconut palm tree grows in hot areas. It likes frost-free areas and grows in Africa, Asia, Latin America and the Pacific region. The tree grows near seas in these areas so the roots can find moisture. It has shallow roots. In the United States, it is found only in Hawaii, the southern tip of Florida, Puerto Rico and Virgin Islands. Coconut trees and its fruits have many uses. The root supplies a dye and the trunks are used to stabilize buildings. The coconut kernel is eaten and coconut milk is extracted from it. The dried coconut kernel is called copra. Oil is pressed out from copra and this edible oil is used for various purposes. The leftover is crushed and the dried kernel is used as cattle food. It is rich in protein, sugar and vitamins. Coconut oil is used to make soap and margarine. The dried powdered coconut fruit is used to make candies, cake, cookies and pies. Mats, baskets and hats are made with coconut leaves, midrib and a coir. Coir is the fiber coir is the fiber from the husk. All these products are also exported to other countries. Okay. Number 1, you can see find words from the passage which mean the following. Number 1, taken out. So can you tell me taken out, the same meaning you can find in the passage? Can you tell me? Taken out, can you tell me? Let me know. First one is taken out. Can you tell me the word you can find related to the same meaning? Okay, I'm telling you, yes. Ishita. Yes, good. Extracted. Taken out will be extracted. Number 2, fit for consumption. Yes. Shonsari, good. Extracted. Number 2, fit for consumption. It will be fit for consumption. What it will be? Can you tell me? Fit for consumption will be edible. Edible. Okay. And number 3, the outer covering of certain fruits or seeds, it will be husk. Husk. Okay. Now come to the question answers part. Number 1, what kind of climate is favorable for the growth of coconut trees? What kind of climate is favorable? So the answer will be the coconut palm tree grows in hot areas. Yes, grows in hot areas. Question number 2. In which regions of the world do coconut trees mainly grow? In which region? It grows in Africa, Asia, Latin America and Pacific region. It likes frost-free areas, so it grows in Africa, Asia, Latin America and Pacific region. Yes. Yes, Sharanya, very good. Yeah. Yeah, Akash. Right. Number 3. Why do coconut trees grow near the sea? The coconut, we can write the answer like, the coconut tree grows near seas because in these areas the roots can find moisture. The roots can find moisture in the sea areas. Now question number 4. Where are coconut trees mainly found in the United States of America? Yes, moisture, due to moisture. United States of America, it is found in Hawaii, the southern tip of Florida, Puerto Rico and Virgin Island. Okay. Number 5. State any 3 uses of coconut kernel that you can write it on your own. Any 3 uses of coconut kernel that you will find in the passage, you will write it. Like coconut kernel is eaten, coconut milk is extracted, dried coconut kernel is called copra, and dried kernel is used as the cattle feed. You can write any 3 you want. Okay. What is the use of copra? We all know that dried coconut kernel is called copra. The dried coconut kernel is called copra, and oil is pressed out from copra, and this edible oil is used for various purpose. Okay. And the leftover is, you can write up to that also. If you want to write more, you can write. Okay. Then number 7. Why is cattle feed which is made from copra good for cattle? Why is cattle feed which is made from copra good for the cattle? Yes. So we can write it like, crushed and dried kernel is used as cattle feed because it is rich in protein, sugar and vitamins. It is rich in protein, sugar and vitamins. Okay. Now come to the fill in the blanks part. Number 1. The roots of coconut trees are used to make what? The roots of coconut trees are used to make Tell me. You can find in the book also. Sorry, in the passage. Yes. The root of trees, it is used as dye. Dye. The trunks are used to stabilize. So roots will be used as dye. Number 2, coconut oil is used to make soap and margarine. Coconut oil is used to make soap and margarine. Number 3, coconut leaves are used to make, you can write any two, baskets, hats, mats, you can write any two. Dash is number 4, dash is the fiber from the husk. So dash is the fiber from the husk. Coir. Coir is the fiber from the husk. Okay. So today I have completed up to number up to D question. Now I will take your present. So please give your present in the chat box. All of you give your present in the chat box. All of you give your present in the chat box. চলছে স্যার। Okay, so today the time is up also, and thank you all of you. Have a nice day. Bye. Bye all of you.